Hey everyone! Thanks for joining me for this quick demo on how to make a call in the WebEx app. WebEx gives you complete phone capabilities, all conveniently tucked inside the app. It has never been easier. Okay, let's get started. We've got our app open, and for reference, I'm on my desktop. So where do we start? Under the calling icon, of course, right here to the picture of the telephone. Oh boy, I bet my 6-year-old doesn't even know what a traditional phone looks like. So let's check out what we've got. The All tab is a list of all of my calls, dialed and received. I also have a tab for those that I missed. One feature I like about the call log is you can actually hover over someone's name and call them with just one click. And then to the right, we have our dial pad. Let the calling begin. You can use the search bar to type in a colleague's name. Of course, you can also type in their phone number or use the dial pad to do that as well. I also have a drop-down arrow next to my computer because I have multiple devices available to me. And then lastly, I can decide if I want it to be an audio call or do I want to include video. Okay, we're ready to make a call, but I want to show you one more place you can get your call started, and that's within a space. I just love how everything can be done within a messaging space, including calling. So let's go click on messaging. And once you're in the space, you can find the call buttons in the upper right-hand corner. Now just keep in mind your calling experience depends on your account settings. So for Claire, I have the option of cloud calling her with her phone number or calling WebEx to WebEx. And if I want to have video on, I'd hit the video camera icon instead. But you didn't think I'd let you leave without actually making a call, did you? Let's give it a quick test. I'll start by dialing her phone number. Ring, ring, ring. My ringer is off, but you can have a ring. And before the call is even connected, I have options to mute, to start my video. I have a keypad if I want to add someone to the call, and additional options under here. I could even escalate this to a WebEx call. And a WebEx call will look pretty similar. So let's try that one out. But now I even have access to a share icon once the call is picked up. And I have some different options here. One of the cool features about having a WebEx call is also the ability to access your chat messages from within the call. Sweet, we made it to best practices. I've got some good ones for you. First, personalize. Click on your avatar to locate settings and personalize your audio options. Everything from selecting your devices, call forwarding, and noise removal. Next, accessorize. Consider adding a headset to achieve optimal audio. On Cisco headsets, you can even answer or decline directly from the device. And lastly, all by myself. Uh-oh, now I'm singing. But do you want to know how to silence your calls? Just change your status to Do Not Disturb. Your call notifications will be silenced, allowing you to focus on your task. Don't worry, you can always call back. but I'm guessing you probably won't be calling me after that song. Okay, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other quick demos right here at golearn.webex.com.